Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are starting to learn SQL or working on your database skill, understanding data types is very essential. Therefore, let's dive in and learn everything about SQL data types. So what are data types? Data types, they define the type of a value a column can hold, such as numbers, text, or dates. Therefore, as shown in this example, while creating a database table, we must define the type of data that will be stored in a column of our table. Different data types are stored differently and they take different spaces. Therefore, using the correct data type, it ensures data integrity, fast querying, and efficient storage. The main SQL data types can be categorized into numeric data types, character and string data types, date and time data types, Boolean data types, and binary data types. Now let's go and see all these data types in detail. Numeric data types are used to store integers, decimals, or floating point numbers. These data types can be used for mathematical operations. Integer type is when we need whole number without decimal value. Similarly, floating point is used when we need approximate decimal values. Character data types are used to store character-based data, and we know that the string is a sequence of characters. Here, var store variable length strings such as letters, numbers, or any special characters. It can be used for names, emails, and so on. Char stores fixed length string that contains letters, numbers, and special characters. Similarly, text is used for longer kind of text message. In order to store date and time, we have date and time data types in SQL. Date data type is used to store the data of date, and the format is as shown here. Similarly, the time data type is used to store the data of the time as mentioned in the format style. And date time stores both date and time data. Boolean data type. The Boolean data types are used to specify Boolean values, that is either true or false, or we can also say 1 or 0. Binary data types. Binary data types are used to store binary data like images and videos. Okay, we have covered almost all of the important SQL data types. Now we know how to use int, varchar, date, boolean, and so on. Next, we will learn about constraints. So if you like this video, hit that subscribe button for more SQL tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.